Hey everybody, looks like I'm starting to get some boxes in again. Check what I got in this one. Hello YouTube, this is Jerry here. Just doing a little unboxing and hopefully maybe a little install with you. Something I've been waiting for since before I picked up my motorcycle. Kind of excited, been waiting for this. Might be stupid, I don't know. SW-Motech Pro Mini Bag, yay! Alright, I'm glad it finally made it here. From my understanding, it has been sitting in a container ship off the coast of California somewhere for a number of weeks. That's okay. I understand this whole global pandemic shipping delay thing, and I'm just appreciative that it made it here. Thanks to all the dock workers and truckers especially. Alright, looks like it came with this pretty big book. I'll have to go through this a little bit. I don't know if this is exciting for anybody or not. Alright, so one of the things I got was the tank ring for my Pan America to snap it on. This apparently had to come from Germany, the reason why everything was so late. Alright, watching me just look stupid here. Maybe a little excited. Gotta have me Lucky Charms! That's it. That's what I was waiting for. Alright, take a look at those directions. Now, let's take a look at what's in this bag. Oh, it's tied up nice. I went with the Pro Mini Bag. I didn't want anything too big. The tank on the Pan America is a little wonky. So, I went with the Mini. Really just wanted something to keep gloves in, some mints, gum, maybe a phone charging cable or something. Just quick access. Wow, that is a nice little bag. It's kind of cute. Underneath for the rails, I guess. Let's open this guy up. Got some doohickey mabob here with directions. Rain cover, that'll come in handy. Hopefully I won't have to use it. These little chewable tablets. It's like these are not chewable. I usually keep them for my camera bag, but I'm kind of full today. Is it this shallow or? This guy is pretty shallow. It is not that deep at all. Glad I did not have big plans for this guy. Do you see it? I don't know if you can see that or not. Swiss Army knife. Almost stand up at its peak. Almost go in all the way. Alright. A little pouch for something. This is supposed to be expandable, so let's try that out. Oh, look, it's nice how it kind of, I don't even know if anybody can see that, tucks in. Again, this is the SW-Motech mini bag, so of course it's a little bit smaller. The next size for was the day pack. And I have tank bags. I really didn't want, there I go. In case I needed it. A little bit. About 1.5 inches taller all the way around. Not too shabby looking. I like it. Okay, the directions for this thing do not look like they're the best, but they have really good pictures. So, face it, that's what we look at, pictures anyway. Alright. I'm going to pull out these 2 bolts in the front, these 2 in the back, put spacers in. Alright, let's get that started. But I'm going to do what they say. They're the professionals, I think. And these screws aren't coming out. Let me see if I can I think I have a magnet. One. Front two. On the Pan America stock, they're all T25s. I think that's a thing. And they're all the same length, so I'll be able to save them in one of these little bags they give us. So next I'm taking these little spacers, dropping them in. Boop. It looks like they're all the same size spacers, so that's good. Alright, just dropped a little teeny tiny amount in the tray. They are a little longer, and I believe 4mm. Maybe not. Three millimeter? Don't want to force it. Yep, 3mm. Alright, so the next piece, actually, I should probably tighten these down all the way. Then I have to put the other side of me Lucky Charms. Part that wasn't in the little bag onto this. So this says this sits. Ooh, this is quite the magnet. Alright. I'm going to drop these little guys in here. There's no thread locker or nothing. They're just little sleeves. Alright, once I put on my old man glasses, I realized that those two nuts here, they actually did have a 4mm hex side, so once I put them in the right way, they screwed in. The plate is secure. The directions call for the longer bolts. These are going to be the 4. Ooh. That's good. That's all good. That's all good. I hope you guys could see that. Sorry, it's getting a little hot in here. I hope you guys can see that it really does not stick up that much higher. It looks pretty good. Alright, back to the directions. Okay, so I attached the base with just a couple screws. Hopefully this will still move a little bit. We want to find out where placement goes for this tank bag. You push it towards the front. All right, that's it. Doesn't look like it's gone anywhere. Have this little gap. Don't really care about that. And it is hitting my phone and camera mount a little bit, but I guess that's going to be expected for now. Okay, so I think that's about it. Again, this bottom plate, pretty easy. 4 screws. I already have 2 in, putting 2 more in. The directions do say to use Loctite blue. That's not a bad idea. Screw it in the plastic, I guess. So I'll get these 2 screws in. This little Allen key. What year is this? Alright, maybe I'll just put 1 screw in. Alright, 1 screw in. This is the little unlock mechanism. You can see how it kind of moves the pieces there. Basically, all I'm going to do is run this in through here, up inside the tank bag, put the little retainer clip back on, and you just leave a little loop. Put this little retainer clip on, it has a spot, and just leave a little loop to unlock it. Seems to fit okay. We'll see how it works out. As you can tell with my phone mount, camera mount, it's going to be a tight fit. I don't know if I'll ever do a handlebar upgrade or not to this bike. It's still, you know, in its breaking in period. If I can, this bag will fit perfect. Don't know how good another bag would fit without the higher reach bars, or I think they go up and then they have some to go up and back. You would need the space. Alright, this is all I got. My little SW-Motech bag. Thanks for watching. Everyone ride safe. Have fun out there. And I'll see you on 2s. Peace.